Right here with these guys here. Right here with these guys.
Boarding day has finally arrived, and today we're stepping onto Wonder of the Seas from Royal Caribbean's incredible Terminal A at the Port of Miami. One of the biggest advantages of staying in a suite starts right here. Suite guests enter through a private check-in entrance designed to get you on board faster, and within minutes, we're already heading upstairs towards security and check-in. Yeah, it might be day visitors. Wow. All right, we'll be right back. Always run ahead of me. Have to be. Yes, everything great.
How are you? Very good, and you? You're better than me. That is true. That is true.
All
So
checked
much,
in.
everything is okay.
All right.
If you like, go for breakfast. It's there. Or
Okay.
enjoy the tree. A wonderful day.
All right. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Happy
Thank you.
holiday.
Happy
Thank you,
holidays to you
too.
too.
Thank
All right, let's check out the sweet snack area. What we got here? We got some water, some orange juice.
Looking a little skimpy.
Is it looking a little skimpy?
Yeah.
Got some coffee, some decaf. Oh, just some cookies, some pastries, and
Do they have something you got?
assorted. All right, so just like that, we're all checked in, and now we're just waiting for the ship to be cleared, and then we'll head on board.
Hello.
Hi. She got them.
Natasha?
Yes.
Okay. And Christopher.
Yep.
Have a nice
All
day.
right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Thank you.
So right over here is where you can take your before the cruise picture. And let's go. So very excited, our first time on Wonder of the Seas.
Yes.
This will complete all of the Oasis class ships for us.
Nice to go to climb the mountains.
No, we don't. This is like very even.
Yes.
That was no up or down. And you can see here that this ship and this terminal were made for each other, as the walkway is basically straight across. All righty. That's special.
They are.
And just like that, welcome aboard Wonder of the Seas. All right, so as always, the first thing we are going to do before seeing anything is check out and go to our muster station. Hello, hello. Which our muster station is at the AquaTheater. So we're going to head up one flight. Hello, hello.
Thank you.
And take the stairs here. And go out to the boardwalk area. Quick look at the promenade. All decked out for Christmas. We got the tree. I'm sure there'll be a tree lighting ceremony tonight. So we'll have to record that for everybody. And you'll find it in our Wonder of the Seas playlist. Here we are at the boardwalk, and as always, some very unique art hanging. Staff wearing their reindeer outfits. So as you can see, quick, easy. We'll have to get a better look at that on the way back. So from parking the car in the garage to checking in and being on the ship, 15, 20 minutes at the most.
At the most. Not even.
There it is, Wonder of the Seas. And we are going to G what?
4.
G4.
Probably
Here on the
time I can get
Boardwalk,
wings.
you got playmakers here, huh?
This is probably the only time I'd be able to
Probably
get
would be
wings.
the only time because tonight it's going to be packed. Tomorrow, college football packed.
Yep,
Sunday, NFL football packed.
yep. And we're in Nassau on Sunday,
Yeah,
so I can't even use the casino.
no, you can't.
So,
So you probably get wings like Sunday at 11 a.m.
maybe.
Hello, hello.
G4.
G4.
Perfect. Can I have your boarding pass, please? Perfect. All right, so this is your emergency station in case of an emergency. If you hear 7 short 1 long, this is where you go.
Okay.
If you have any medical emergency, you can call 911 from any ship phone.
Okay.
Excellent. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. Mo,
Oh, you want to walk around?
just a quick. So the Aqua show here is called Intense. It's an all-female show. Yeah. So and here we are, and you got some of them out here. They'll be out here practicing. So there you go. That is the majority of your boarding day. We're in a suite, so we are going to head up to Coastal Kitchen, and we'll be right back. All right, so here we are up on 17. Not that way. Yeah.
Yeah. Are we on
There we go.
that side?
Our room is on this side.
Oh, and it's close to coastal.
And we're going to see if we know anybody on here. So this is the little suite lounge area.
Good. Good morning. How are you? Wonderful. You?
Excellent. Thank you.
Good. How may I assist you?
We're here for lunch.
May I have your suite cabin?
Sure. 1712.
You have dinner reservation already?
Did you already do dinner?
You should have 7 o'clock each night.
Christopher?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I'm with your basketball court.
Follow that, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Nice and smooth. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, this is new. This is a new menu. Let's see what we're going to have here.
It's there.
Definitely the scallops. Of course, the short rib. And probably the... Should I do the cheesecake or the creme brulee? I guess we'll figure that out. And we're going to sit down, relax. Check out the view. Look down off the back and down onto the boardwalk area. And I will show you the food when it comes. So here are those scallops. And Natasha got the Caesar salad. And we both ended up getting the short rib, and we skipped dessert because it was just too much. But I do recommend the cheesecake. So that was coastal lunch. This might be the smartest first move on Wonder of the Seas. Start your vacation slow while everyone else is still navigating the ship and getting their bearings. But now it's time for that moment everyone waits for on boarding day. Our cabin is officially ready. We're going to do a full detailed cabin walkthrough of our grand suite up next. So if you are cruising on Wonder of the Seas, you don't want to miss that. If you're planning a Royal Caribbean cruise or just want to cruise smarter, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what comes next. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support, and we will catch you in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.